Hey guys, it's Christy Sanders, your independent Scentsy consultant with Happy Day Scents. Welcome back to my house. I've got some fun things to show you because we have been to World Tour 2025 a couple of days ago, and I want to show you what we got. World Tour, if you're new to Scentsy, hello and welcome. World Tour is our spring, it's kind of like a mini conference. It's a one-day Scentsy event, and they have small events scattered all over the United States and all over the world. The world tour that we attended was in Nashville, Tennessee, and when you go to world tour, we get to hear speakers, we get to meet people from the home office, which is in Meridian, Idaho, and we get to see all of the new products for spring and summer, and we get to smell the new scents, and one of the most fun things is we get to come home with goodies from World Tour. You get to take a guest with you if you want to. And so, of course, I took Morgan with me. And I want to show you the goodies that we came home with from there. So, at the end of the day, I brought home this big box of goodies. And Morgan, my husband, he was my guest. He got a small little care box, okay? So, I want to show you what's inside. So, in Morgan's box, I'm going to show you his first. Isn't it cute? It just kind of opens like a little pinwheel. And he got 3 wax bars. Now, 2 of these wax bars are from the spring and summer catalog. And one of them is, I think, from the Easter collection. And so, I'm pretty sure it's Easter and not Mother's Day. But I don't remember. And I don't have any papers or anything that came home with me to remind me, but I think this is from Easter. So this one that I'm talking about that's not from spring and summer catalog, this is Peach Paradise, okay? And it's just a fruity, it's a light fruity peachy scent, okay? So that came in there. And then he got 2 bars from the spring and summer collection. One is Freshwater Sage. It's almost the same color as my wall, isn't it? So Freshwater Sage is fresh and clean. It smells a lot like a men's body wash, I think. But I think Sam and Jack are going to like this. If you like bamboo and rainfall, or bamboo and what's the other bamboo scent that we've had that the kids liked, and so I think that they'll like this one. The scent description, because I've got a new catalog right here with me too. Fresh citrus zest, bergamot, which is a citrus fruit, okay, and marine musk, which sage is not in the description, but it is in the wax, okay? So that's Freshwater Sage. And my favorite, this is my favorite from the whole collection, so I'm glad we got to bring home a bar. This is Sweet Lime and Peach. And it is fruity, but it's also just a little bit floral. And it just smells fancy. Like they said this at the conference, and it was true. It's almost like going into a fancy hotel or resort, and it smells good in there, but it's not overpowering. That's what this is. And it's a pretty color, and I want to melt it today, so I wanted to show you what was in the box. So that's what Morgan got in his box. And then my box has all kinds of goodies in it. So let me show you if I can get it open. So I have already opened and used 2 of these products in here because I want to try it out. So Scentsy has a new product for this catalog that we've never had before. Not a new scent in it, but a new product. And the new product is, what would I say? Laundry detergent sheets, I guess is what we'll call it. So it's called Scentsy Suds. And this is in the scent clothesline. So you're probably familiar with the scent clothesline, but I'm going to open it up and show you what they look like because I've already used them to wash some towels. And so the laundry sheets look like this. And I've used a couple other brands of laundry sheets, and I love them because you can take this out. This takes up a lot less space than one of those big giant jugs of the liquid laundry detergent. And it's lightweight, and it just looks neat in my cabinet, you know. And I love that it's good for the environment because we recycle everything. And so, you know, the cardboard's recyclable. There's not the big plastic containers. Okay, so for a family that does large loads of laundry, like my family, we have a bunch of boys, so we do large loads of laundry. You'd use a full sheet, okay? And what you do is you just put your laundry in there, and you throw this in there too, just with the rest of your laundry. And the water, when it comes in the tub, it just dissolves it. And we kind of watched it dissolve. It just sort of melts when it gets in water. If you have a little load, these are perforated. Just put one, okay? I was a tiny bit skeptical the first time I used laundry detergent sheets. Like, how would that really clean my laundry? But it does. It gets it good and clean. And then it smells good. But you can also use your washer whiffs, which is like a scent booster, okay? So we also got a small tub of washer whiffs in the clothesline fragrance. And these are just, they're little scent crystals. Can you see them in there? And I use washer whiffs every time I do laundry. And so they just make everything smell good. Now, in the catalog, we also have other products in the same scent in our laundry. But, so, see, here's my towels. And they smell so good. But I need to fold them in just a minute. But the washer whiffs and the Scentsy suds was in my box. And we got a stack of 5 of the spring and summer catalogs. This is what the cover looks like. That warmer is at the top of my wish list for this spring. I'm excited to have that one. Those of y'all that are close to me know that I love daisies. And I don't think those are really daisies. Maybe poppies or something. But they're cute as can be. So I'm excited to have that. Also in our box, we got... Oh, wait a minute. Did Morgan get... I've got 2 wax bars here. And I don't know which one came. I think just this one came in my box. Island Bloom. Did Island Bloom come in here? Or Italian Sunshine? Island Bloom, Italian Sunshine. I may have gotten them mixed up. You know what? I think maybe I did. I think maybe Peach Paradise was on the counter from something else. Anyway, Island Bloom. Island Bloom is starfruit, watermelon, and island palm. But it's very strong of that watermelon scent. My sister loves watermelon scent, so she'll like that. And then I have Italian Sunrise. And only one of these came in my box. So obviously I've gotten something mixed up over here. Those of you that went to World Tour, you may be able to leave a comment below and correct all this. But all right, so Italian Sunshine. I don't think I love it quite as well as Island Bloom, but it's a close second. Italian Sunshine is Italian Bergamot, Sunkissed Coconut, and Sweet Berries and Amber. So we definitely have a bergamot theme going on for this spring too. So that was in the box. Also in the box, a set of 10 testers for all the new scents that we have. I got a Bubble Blue Warmer. Let me show you the Bubble Blue Warmer real quick. This is in the spring and summer catalog. Let me tell you. The Bubble Blue is going to be trying to find the price on it for you. There it is. It's a $30 warmer. Okay, so it's one of our less expensive warmers. It's got a plain glass dish. Now this dish says that it'll hold 4. Let me see if you can see that back in there. 4 cubes of wax. I don't know if you can see right there or not, but it's kind of small. So start with 2 cubes in this because it's kind of small. The Bubble Blue Warmer takes a 20-watt bulb, so it's our middle size of our bulbs. So it's a little bit smaller, but I think this will look cute in the bathroom. Look here. Isn't that cute? So this is the Bubble Blue Warmer. This is the dish that goes on top. And I would plug it in, but I don't think I can reach the plug over here. Maybe somebody will walk by in a minute and they'll plug it in for me. So here it is. Hey, Sam. Oh, no, Sam can't plug it in for me either. All right, I'll get somebody to plug it in for me in a minute. Let's see about this. Hey, Sam, will you plug this in right over there?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, kiddo. Will it reach? I think it's on this side, baby. No, on the back of the table. I think he's got. There we go. That's it. So that's a bubble blue warmer with a little 20 watt bulb. It's cute. It's a little bright. I think I'm going to try it with a blue bulb maybe later and see if that brings out the blue a little bit better. All right, and then the last thing I want to show you in our box was a fragrance flower. Now this fragrance flower, it is not available in the spring and summer catalog, but we are going to get some in the Mother's Day collection, and we got to see those at World Tour. So this is a special fragrance flower because it's a much bigger one. So a normal fragrance flower is, will you hand me that fragrance flower up there on the table by the door? Yeah. A normal fragrance flower is about 3 to 3.5 inches across. This one is 5 inches across. So this is one of our regular fragrance flowers, okay? And this one smells like banana nut bread. This one was one that we got in the Bring Back My Bar collection last month in January. And so there was a couple of flowers that were available. This flower, and see, this has like a little 3-ounce jar of oil. Oh, and it smells so good. But this one has a 6-ounce jar of oil. Let me show you. I can't wait to use it. So, and this special flower is in the scent, a special scent just for World Tour. So see how much bigger the oil jar is. And can you tell? It's purple. I don't know if you can tell the sun shining through it or not. But it's purple. So my fragrance flower is going to be purple when it soaks up all the oil. So when you get these, you know, they're really wrapped up good for shipping so that they wouldn't spill, you know, even just trying to get them home. So you want to take all of that off before you open up the bottle of oil because you don't want any of that spill. Okay. And then let me tell you how to work these because I've had customers that had troubles. All right, and so you got your jar of oil. You're going to take this black cap off and just throw it away, okay? And then you got a rubber stopper here. You want to take that off and throw it away too. And the scent, they sent us some scent circles in this scent, and it's strawberries and citrus and flowers, I think. Gosh, it smells so good. So it's in I've got that in my car, and it smells so good too. All right, so let me show you. When you take that rubber stopper off, it's just an open jar of oil. You're going to put this silver ring on it. It's just a decorative ring, okay? Let me show you how big this flower is. Look how big and pretty it is. This is one of our Dahlia Darling patterns or styles. See, this is the little one. This is a Dainty Daisy. See how much bigger it is in comparison? I'll get my head out of the way and it'll focus. So this Dahlia, it's going to turn purple when we put it in the oil. And so it's got a little wire here that I always kind of bend a little bit so my flower will point outward, and a long stem, and you just drop that down in there. Now the regular size ones last about 60 days, okay? This one, I don't know. I expect it to last about 60 days too because it's a bigger jar of oil, but it's also a bigger flower. I do not know the cost point on this because we won't have the Mother's Day flowers available for us until the beginning of April. But if you love fragrance flowers, keep your eye out for them to come in April for the Mother's Day collection because they are beautiful. and they should make your room smell, it should work a lot stronger than the little ones because it's, you know, a bigger flower. So I'm excited to try that. I'm going to put this on the table in my kitchen and over by, I've got like just a little table in my kitchen that's got the shelves above it. And so I'm going to put that there. That's what we got in our kit, and I just want to take a few minutes and tell you about it and show you what was in there in case you didn't get to go. And if you did get to go, leave a comment below and tell me what was your favorite. Have you opened your fragrance flower yet? And I would love to see pictures of what it looks like. I can't wait to see. For the little flowers, it takes like a day, at least a day, for that fragrance oil to absorb. And I don't know about the big flowers, how long it'll take, but I'm excited to use it. All right, I'll see you later. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you loved it, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.